Hey there, having trouble logging into DoorDash on your iPhone? Struggling with that pesky DoorDash login error? Don't worry, you're not alone. Logging into your favorite apps should be a breeze, but sometimes technical glitches happen. This week, I'm diving into how to fix the DoorDash login error on iPhone so you can get back to ordering your favorite meals in no time. In this guide, we'll explore some simple yet effective methods to resolve these login issues and get your app up and running smoothly again. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, let's ensure your iPhone is connected to the internet. A stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection is essential for apps like DoorDash to function properly. Start by opening another app or browser to see if it loads content. If not, try toggling airplane mode on and off to reset your connection. Alternatively, restart your router or try connecting to a different network to rule out connectivity issues. Step 2. Update the DoorDash app. An outdated app could be the culprit behind your login troubles. Head over to the App Store, tap on your profile icon at the top right, and navigate to your list of available updates. If DoorDash is listed, tap Update next to it. This ensures that you're running the latest version with all the necessary bug fixes and performance improvements. Step 3. Clear your iPhone's cache. Sometimes app data or cache can cause login errors. To clear the cache for DoorDash on your iPhone, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app since iPhones don't provide a direct option to clear cache. Press and hold the DoorDash app icon until it wiggles, then tap the X to delete it. Go back to the App Store, search for DoorDash and reinstall it. This can often help resolve performance issues. Step 4. Check for iOS updates. Running an outdated version of iOS could be another reason you're facing login errors. To check for updates, navigate to Settings, General, Software, Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Keeping your iPhone's operating system updated ensures better compatibility and security for all your apps. Step 5. Reset network settings. If the previous steps don't solve the issue, try resetting your network setting. Go to Settings, General, Reset network settings. Be aware that this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPN settings, so make sure to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks afterward. This step often helps resolve deeper connectivity issues that might be affecting apps. Step 6. Reach out to DoorDash support. If you're still unable to log in after trying all these methods, it might be time to contact DoorDash support. They may have specific solutions or be aware of any ongoing service issues causing the login error. You can find their support details within the app or on the DoorDash website. And there you have it. Solutions for fixing the DoorDash login error on iPhone. From checking your internet connection to updating your app and resetting settings, these steps should help you efficiently troubleshoot and resolve any login issues you're encountering. Remember, technology is great when it works, and with these tips, you'll have DoorDash ready and waiting at your fingertips. So take a deep breath, follow these steps, and get ready for your next meal delivery without a hitch. Happy DoorDashing!